Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, here going to show you how to find gifts sent history on TikTok app. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access your TikTok account. So go ahead and open up the TikTok app here and go to your profile at the bottom right. Now in here you want to go and click on the three bar icon you see at the top right of the screen. And in here you want to go and choose balance. Now, under balance, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and click on our coins here. So whatever current coins you currently have, go ahead and just click on it. Now, in here, you should be able to see the recharge section. Now, what we need to do is we just need to click on the document icon that has a TikTok icon on it at the top right of your screen. So once you click on it, you should be able to see your coin history. So that includes all your purchases or your refunds and exchanges here. So in this case, this is how you find your gifts. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.